Ukraine drafts bill to add Bitcoin to war chest. Is a national reserve next? Bitcoin reserve. Ukraine. As Ukraine faces wartime financial pressure, the move to draft a national Bitcoin reserve bill shows a bold bet on decentralized resilience over traditional monetary dependence. Journalist Hassan Shittu. About author Hassan, a cryptonews.com journalist with 6+ years of experience in Web3 journalism, brings deep knowledge across crypto, Web3 gaming, NFTs, and play-to-earn sectors. His work has appeared in Author Profile, Share, Copied, last updated, May 14, 2025. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Key takeaways. Ukraine's potential Bitcoin reserve indicates a shift toward financial self-sovereignty. The draft bill not only proposes holding Bitcoin but also opens the door for sweeping legal reforms that could define Ukraine's digital asset framework for decades to come. With Binance leadership publicly supporting the move, Ukraine's crypto strategy is increasingly shaped by alignment between political will and institutional crypto players. Ukraine is reportedly taking steps toward adopting Bitcoin as a national reserve asset, in what could mark a change in its financial strategy amid the ongoing war with Russia. According to local media outlet Encrypted on May 14, a draft bill proposing the creation of a state Bitcoin reserve is nearing completion. The initiative was confirmed by Yaroslav Zelezniak, a member of parliament and first deputy chairman of the Committee on Finance, Tax, and Customs Policy. Zelezniak stated that the draft bill is in its final stages and would be submitted in the near future. He said earlier this year that a legislative initiative allowing crypto reserves was in the works, though no details were shared at the time. Ukraine inches toward Bitcoin adoption in national financial strategy. Information about Ukraine's plans surfaced as part of a growing conversation around national adoption of digital assets. While specifics remain limited, Zelezniak's confirmation marks a new level of seriousness in Ukraine's approach to Bitcoin. Support for the idea has also emerged from the private sector. Kirill Komayakov, head of Binance in Central and Eastern Europe, Central Asia, and Africa, said that Binance welcomes Ukraine's interest in creating a strategic crypto reserve. The creation of such a reserve will require significant changes in legislation, Komayakov said, but it's a positive step, as it may lead to clearer regulations on crypto assets. Ukraine has been actively working on crypto regulation over the past year. For example, in April, the Parliamentary Committee on Finance, Tax, and Customs Policy unanimously approved a draft law on virtual assets. However, the bill was recently withdrawn from consideration. According to Zelezniak, this decision came at the request of the President's office, influenced by the stance of the National Securities and Stock Market Commission. The Commission later clarified that it had no authority to block the bill. It did, however, submit a list of 80 proposed amendments and comments to Parliament. Ukraine's Bitcoin push faces hurdles as lawmakers finalize crypto regulation and tax plans. While Ukraine's reported plan to adopt Bitcoin as a national reserve asset indicates a bold shift in wartime financial strategy, the path forward remains complex and politically charged. Behind the scenes, Ukrainian lawmakers are working to finalize a sweeping crypto regulation package, expected to legalize digital assets by early 2025. According to Danilo Hetmantsev, head of the Verkhovna Rada's Tax Committee, key discussions are ongoing between the National Bank of Ukraine and the IMF. Central to the draft bill are unresolved issues around taxation, financial monitoring standards, and regulatory oversight. The proposed legislation includes a transition period for crypto holders unable to verify past purchases. Officials also plan to tax certain crypto transactions at rates up to 23%, excluding stablecoin and crypto-to-crypto trades. A separate tax proposal intended to generate wartime revenue seeks a 5 to 10% levy on crypto income by mid-2025. The bill is expected to go through its first reading by March, with potential adoption by summer. Hetmantsev emphasized that the National Securities and Stock Market Commission lacks the capacity to regulate the industry, suggesting the central bank may need to temporarily take the lead. Still, not everyone is convinced. The country is broke, said Kuna Exchange founder Michael Chobanian. This is done only to divert your attention. Ukraine's move follows a global pattern, with the US and Sweden also eyeing Bitcoin as a strategic asset. Yet for Ukraine, grappling with war and economic fragility, turning BTC into a national reserve may prove to be more of a symbol than a solution. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar XRP price prediction. Here's when experts say $1,000 could become reality. Ripple behind Trump's XRP post. Could this controversy trigger a rally to $1,000? XRP price prediction. XRP price prediction. South Korean investors bet big on Ripple. Can XRP reach $5 in May? Price analysis. XRP price ready for comeback. Analysts see bull movement and strong potential for upward trend. May 4, 2025. By Arslan Butt. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. While Bitcoin dominates headlines, Ripple surges 8% this week. Can momentum push XRP past $2.50 resistance? 6 days ago. By Arslan Butt. Altcoin news. Ripple whale moves $782 million in XRP. How could XRP price react? 3 days ago. By Amin Ayan. Best crypto to buy now in May 2025. Top crypto to invest in. May 6, 2025. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrency to invest in May 2025. May 6, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. 12 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Full presale list. March 3, 2025. By Medb Keeley-Cuddy. 10 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in May 2025. April 13, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. May 5, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. What is the next big crypto to explode in 2025? September 11, 2024. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024. By Ben Beto.